Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, with your permission, I would like to just briefly respond to Honourable Joseph Nunn's question, or supplementary question of yesterday. I have the answer here. He had asked for the utilization, budget utilization in terms of ICCF. For the year 24-25, sir, we were allocated 7 million and utilized $6,999,660. The balance was $340, which means 99.99% utilization. In the 25-26 budget so far, again allocated 7 million, and we have already utilized $2,408,296.47 for $4,591,203.53 balance. Utilization is 34.4% in the last 2 months. The other piece of information I wanted to share with the House on that matter is that we inherited 13,176 forms that were received by ACCF, but the injured workers were not notified to apply for compensation. And now we are trying to sort that out, and unfortunately, about 44% of them are missing out because of the 3-year time bar. That is the performance of the previous ACCF and Veritas, for your information, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, one of the core responsibilities of the Ministry of Employment, Productivity and Workplace Relations is to promote decent employment standards. This includes creating employment opportunities, ensuring safe and healthy working environment, providing fair employment conditions, fostering good faith employment relations, and promoting productive workplaces. These responsibilities are achieved through a modern, structured, and enabling policy environment supported by sound labor laws, institutions, international best practices, and values underpinned by tripartite social dialogue and self-regulation. Mr. Speaker, sir, in line with this mandate, my ministry, together with the Ministry of Trade, Cooperatives, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Communications, has launched an innovative digital platform called Business Now Fiji. This platform simplifies business processes, attracts investment, and drives Fiji's economic growth. Following Fiji's ranking of 102nd in the World Bank's 2020 Doing Business report, the government took proactive measures to improve the business processes in Fiji. On 26th of September 2024, Business Now Fiji launched its first phase of integrated e-services for starting new businesses. Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a growing need to review, adapt existing health and safety regulations, and in consultation with the tripartite partners, working closely with the Office of the Solicitor General, we have amended the General Workplace Conditions, Regulations 2003, and the Health and Safety at Work, Regulation 1997. These changes came into effect from 1st August and 26th September, respectively. The key amendment introduces a risk-based workplace inspection and audit schedule, prioritizing resources to focus on workplace sectors in accordance with their risk classification as follows. Low-risk workplaces inspected and audited once every 3 years, as these workplaces present minimum health and safety hazards. High-risk workplaces, Mr. Speaker, sir, inspected annually, as these workplaces and environments have a higher potential for accident, injuries, and fatalities. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry, through the National OHS Service, has conducted 3,287 general workplace inspections an audit during the last financial year and targets to increase this to 6,000 inspections and audits this year. Workplace inspections are now classified into high-risk and low-risk categories, allowing inspectors to focus more on high-risk workplaces and provide quality, timely advice and assistance. Mr. Speaker, sir, the National OHS Service has also reviewed its standard operating procedures, that's SOPs, to align with the new online application systems. All applications and supporting documents are now submitted online. Once an employer provides all required information, inspectors can schedule the inspection and audits. This online system empowers employers to submit accurate information promptly, streamlining the inspection process. Additionally, all reports, receipts, and certificates are now delivered electronically, saving time, reducing paperwork, improving data management, and eliminating the need for physical collection. Mr. Speaker, similarly, the building permit approval system has been digitized, and employers, developers, and business owners will be able to submit workplace and building plans online, improving efficiency, reducing cost. When launched, this will be launched later this month. This initiative supports environmental sustainability, reduces carbon footprint, and strengthens enforcement of workplace construction standards under health and safety legislation, the National Building Code, and approved standards. Mr. Speaker, the other key benefits of the new system are: one, easy and convenient. With a single login, employers and customers can fill and track applications, make online payments, and download fully approved e-certificates, simplifying and streamlining the entire process of starting business in Fiji. Two, efficient. The targeted turnaround time is 7 days now, and all complete inspections and audit and aims to significantly reduce the turnaround time. Nationwide access, the initiative ensures all equitable access to mandatory OHS workplaces, inspections, and audits, improving the overall business climate across Fiji. The workplace and building designs vetting system will allow digital submissions of workplace plans for design vetting that will improve overall efficiency and reduce costs for applicants, who will no longer need to make physical visits to submit building plans and related documentation. The digital platform will strengthen enforcement by preventing the construction of workplaces that do not meet the requirements under the Health and Safety at Work regulations and the National Building Code, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, we continue to modernize our legislation and policies to support the growth of our economy, enhance workplace safety, and facilitate business development. I thank you, sir.